my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I am so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and then every time I post a new wig related video, you will get a notification letting you know that I have posted something new. So today I am wearing something that is kind of unusual for me. This is a pixie, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that there's only one other pixie on my whole channel, I think, but it's just not a style that I normally wear. But I chose it from the wig company because I wanted to be able to show one, because I know that you all like them, and so you know, there's a need for pixies to be seen. So this particular style is called RIO, and like I said, this was sent to me by the wig company, and the color on her is number 8, which is their medium brown. So I will do a turn all the way around and we can look at her from all sides, and then we'll get into all of her specs. So she's cute. Now she's got some volume. I have her smoothed down as much as I can get her, but I'll show you when I style her that she can have a lot more volume. She has a lot of permatease. So here's the right side. She has this little angled, you'll notice, I kind of have it behind my ear, but one side is longer than the other, just slightly. This is my left. And then back to the front. So she's a cute little pixie. I mean, like I said, it's not a style that I wear a whole lot. The only pixie that I've really ever owned was angled cut by Hairdo. So this is why I decided, well, I'm gonna choose a medium length, a short, and a longer piece from them, so that I have 3 varieties to show you all, and I chose 3 different brunettes as well to show you all. So I'm gonna have a little series here of, you know, different wigs from them. So anyway, so as far as her specs, she's super lightweight. I mean, pixie, she's a basic cap and she's a pixie, so she's like 2 ounces, you know, really, really comfortable, lightweight. You forget you're even wearing her, honestly. In the front here, she has 5 inches, so her bang goes just right into my eyes, kind of, but it sweeps out of the way really easily, and it's sitting right above my eyebrows very comfortably, so not a problem at all. I'm not having trouble with little hairs being in my face or anything like that. So she has a 5-inch layer on the top, a 3.5-inch layer on the sides, and back here in the back, she has a 2-inch layer, and then her nape is about a half inch. I think the 2 inches actually, it says back 2 inches, and then she has an extended nape by a 1/2 inch, but I think that's on the inside. So you can see it just gradually, you know, it's stacked back there, and it just gradually goes into that short nape. So she's a pixie, doesn't have much of a nape measurement. Okay, as far as her cap construction, like I said, she is a basic cap. She has no mono part, she has no lace front. You know, there's not one needed. You do have a bang that goes over your forehead, so, you know, and she's not one that you would wear in, you know, off the forehead style. She's just not cut for that, so, you know, that's not a problem. Looks great in the front here. And then I'll show you the top of the cap here. So she does have permatease, and I can feel it up there, but one thing I like is you can just kind of floof these layers a little bit, and it hides it quite well. So it's, you know, not a problem for me. But, you know, when you have a basic cap wig, you expect that you're going to have permatease because you've got to have something to cover that cap. So, but so the top's really, really cute. The ear tabs are really nice. I actually really like her tucked. I was trying to show the style initially the way it comes to you, but this is actually how I would wear it. I like it tucked behind the ears better. So the ear tabs are really nice. I have great coverage. It looks very natural. There's a nice sized piece of metal in there. So really nicely done. They have a nice cap construction and overall wig construction on all of these. I should mention this is another one from their Timeless collection, which was formerly called the Basics collection. So really cute. So let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. So like I said, she's just lightweight. So I'll try to show you that top there off of my head. So as you can see, I mean, there's perma lift in there and I can feel it, but it really doesn't stick up or look bad, so. And she's supposed to have volume, so, you know, it's needed for the style. Okay, so she's actually wefted all over the cap, but on the top, those wefts are covered with some closed lace. So really, really comfortable. She's got a nice felt velvety strip across here that's comfortable up against your forehead. She has wefted ear tabs as well. She has Velcro adjusters, which are great. You find your spot on those and just leave it there. I did have to pull in one side a little bit. And then she does have an extended, again, open wefted nape, open wefting all through that cap. So very, very comfortable. And you know, these little pixies, for these warmer months that are coming, I know some of y'all are still getting snow, but you know it's coming, that heat's coming. And you know, these are just so great to throw on and just, you know, be comfortable in. So, and you just throw her on, get her kind of figured out. Like I said, I like to put her behind my ears with a little bit of a sideburn there. I think she looks really cute and chic like that. So really cute. So as far as this color is concerned, this color is number 8, which is their medium brown. It is not highlighted or blended with another color or anything like that. It is just an 8. Very pretty medium brown, very true medium brown in my opinion. Really pretty. Okay, so let's take this number 8 outside and we will look at the color outside in the natural light. Okay, so we are outside with this number 8 on RIO from the Wig Company. Both the style and the name are kind of giving me 80s vibes if you were a Duran Duran fan. I just keep wanting to sing that song. Okay, so let's take her out in the sun. Bright sunny out here today. Really pretty. Very true brunette, like I said. Medium brunette. The fibers on this one aren't too shiny either. Okay. So we are back inside with RIO from the Wig Company in the color number 8. So hope you were able to get a good idea about the color from seeing her both inside and outside in the sun. So I have gone ahead and stuck a little headband in RIO, and I think she looks super cute like this. I would wear her like this in the summer. I mean, either this or you could even tie a scarf in. But these little headbands are just so easy. I remember they used to kind of bug me. Like they would kind of give me a headache after a while on my, just when they were on my head, but on a wig, they don't do that, which is really kind of nice. So, but it looks super cute. Really, really cute. She is, of course, really friendly with glasses, no problem. You know, glasses are super easy, on and off, up on your head, no problem. So I always like that. I put glasses up on my head in a wig all the time. So as far as, you know, she's not one that you can pull back or do a whole lot to, but I would just take, like, just to dress her up a little, just stick a cute little, you know, cute little clip in her. Just looks cute like that. You could put one on each side. You know, I have a variety of different types of clips. You could just use just a little, you know, simple little barrette in her and just, you know, dress her up. And it's not like there's, you know, nothing that you can do with pixies. You can stick, you know, any kind of little clip on either side. Sometimes I like to put the clips kind of back behind the ear. They look cute like that. So, you know, you can just put a clip in them anywhere you want to, all kinds of variety of clips. I don't think that I would try to clip her like off the face, but you could do a cute little twist. I was playing around with this and just put a little clip in. And as long as you don't, you know, you leave like a little bit of a, you know, roundness there to the hair so that you're not pulling it way back so you can't see that there's no lace front, but it still looks cute like that. So don't think that you can't do some fun little things with these pixies. You can do a lot of really cute, you know, fun little styles. One thing I want to address with this particular RIO is this side over here wants to loop out on mine. The pictures of the model, it's completely flat, and I I steamed it and it's still like floofed back up. So I think I just need to, you know, steam it a little bit more. A lot of times when these come out of the box, they just have some little floopy little things that go on because it's been, you know, folded up in a box. And so I just need to work on that a little bit more, you know, with the steam. But I had steamed it the other day, like I said, and kind of gotten it to lay flat. And then I put it back, after it dried, I put it back in the box. And then I took it out today and I'm like, oh, we're kind of floofed up again. But anyway, I like poking, you know, it doesn't really bug me any because I like putting it behind my ear anyway. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the wig company for sending me RIO today to review for you. There'll be information below for purchasing RIO. And until next time, thank you for watching. And don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.